Good morning. It's Thursday, April 13th, 2023. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update, starting out with the southeast view of the radar. And look at this impressive storm coming up from the Gulf. We've been talking about this for a couple of days and kind of has that cyclonic counterclockwise spin there. You can almost see the center moving toward Mobile and those rain bands moving in toward the state of Georgia. So this almost looks like a tropical storm. It's not, but it's going to have a lot of characteristics, and we have the chance of some severe weather associated with this storm as it moves through. So you see those, again, we'll call them rain bands, pushing up through South Georgia into middle Georgia, some showers up toward metro Atlanta this morning as well, and cloud cover associated with this system. Let's take a look at our temperatures around the state. We have upper 40s in North Georgia, mid 50s around Atlanta, middle Georgia, and then showing low to mid 60s in South Georgia. So it is warm. We do have that humidity in there, and that's going to help fire up some storms, some thunderstorms, possibility of some spin-up tornadoes, especially in southwest Georgia. So level 2 out of 5 risk covering most of South Georgia. That does include Columbus, Albany, down to Valdosta and Brunswick. Level 1 out of 5 risk for LaGrange to Atlanta, over to Vidalia, and then into Statesboro. For tomorrow, things are going to be a little quieter. We are going to shift the level 1 out of 5 risk up into the extreme northeast corner of the state, or heading up toward Hart County, Elberton, and Lincoln County. General thunderstorm risk for the rest of the state of Georgia. So we do have a tornado watch in effect for the southwest corner of the state. That does include Camilla, Bainbridge, Cairo, and Donaldsonville, as well as Blakely. That's in effect until 2 o'clock this afternoon. So we'll be just looking out for a few of those storms that could spin up into some tornadoes. But really, we need to watch that all the way up into the Albany area and really just across I-75 as we move through the evening hours over toward the east. So all of South Georgia, just be on the lookout for some strong to severe storms. So let's take a look at the modeling here. There's that center of the low. Again, cyclonic flow moving in from the Gulf of Mexico, spinning those showers in. We continue to move in toward 9, 10 o'clock this morning, and you can see that center still digging into Mississippi, but we're going to watch that line that's going to be off to the east, moving into southwest Georgia in from Alabama and the panhandle of Florida by about 1 o'clock this afternoon. And there's our severe weather risk. That pushes through Albany up in the Cordele by 2, 3 o'clock this afternoon. By 4 o'clock, continuing to push on in toward the middle of the states. The Macon Metro, be on the lookout after 4 o'clock, heading into 5. And then as we head towards 6, 7 o'clock, there's that line still very distinct, stretching from Rome through Gwinnett County down to Milledgeville and Vidalia, and beginning to fall apart a little bit as we head into the evening hours. And then that main line will be in the South Carolina by 1 a.m. Tomorrow morning, still some showers on the backside. This is not a cold front, so we're not going to see our temperatures drop once this pushes out. It's just experiencing the rain, the thunderstorms, then all that starts to move out by tomorrow evening, and things get quiet on Saturday. Looking pretty good. We'll see some sunshine. Temperatures will be warming up through the day on Saturday. Watching another storm system off to the west that's going to be pushing in closer to the state. So, yeah, we're going to see some showers and thunderstorms back in across Georgia on Sunday. So at least Saturday will look decent. We'll be warm, but we'll keep the thunderstorms out of there. We're going to watch out for the weather through the day today. Be sure to follow this page, also the YouTube channel, in order to get live updates throughout the day. We'll go live with any tornado warnings, and it's very possible today, especially for southwest Georgia. Here's your latest forecast now from northwest Georgia to southeast Georgia.